Let's learn phrasal verb. Oblige with. Phrasal verb. Listen. Phrasal verb, oblige with.
Presentear alguém com algo, fornecer ou conceder algo a alguém que pediu, atender ao pedido de alguém oferecendo algo.
Happy to oblige with my request, but I needed to see that language.
Retry, literally sitting there looping until you oblige with some magical number.
Question, does the law oblige with danger of death?
This is what it's. The industry is all too happy to oblige with that request. I'm here in the Tomon warehouse, and I'm here to ask,
does the law oblige with danger of death?
JP is always happy to oblige with the Kappas.
To me with details of the needs of that company. Now I'll do my best to oblige her.
Act fairly, and to act compatibly with that, and those rights oblige.
With mothers who nurse their children, with those whose occupations oblige them to undergo severe mental strains, with public speakers, and with all those who give work to a portion of the time needed for sleep. It soothes both the stomach and the brain, and for this reason as well as for others, it's the best friend of those who engage in literary pursuits.
More black olives and extra tomatoes. The workers may not be thrilled with you, but they will oblige, even if you ask.
On all contracts, if Western nations oblige. Okay, so what is going on with the ruble then?
Words had to be uttered with serious intent, stares of purpose to oblige, and in any event, the ecclesiastical.
When institutionalized science is happy to oblige, then we are no longer dealing with objective science.
They obliged us with fresh coffee before the meeting started today. She obliged her guests with homemade desserts after every family dinner. The hotel obliged visitors with complimentary breakfast every single morning. My neighbor obliged me with useful gardening tools during spring cleaning. The waiter obliged everyone with extra bread without charging anything additional. The librarian obliged students with additional reference books before final exams. Our guide obliged tourists with detailed historical explanations during every visit. The mechanic obliged customers with free vehicle inspections before repairs began. She gladly obliged her friend with honest advice during difficult moments. The teacher obliged the class with extra practice before important examinations. The musician obliged fans with another song before ending the concert. They obliged the children with exciting stories before bedtime every evening. The chef obliged diners with special vegetarian dishes upon polite request. The company obliged employees with flexible schedules during difficult family emergencies. The museum obliged researchers with private archive access for important studies.
Let's learn American slang.
This photo is a great throwback to our childhood adventures. My grandfather still prefers old-school methods for fixing things. The company adopted a new school approach to teaching employees. That jacket has a cool retro style from the 80s. We spent the evening throwing it back by listening to old songs. That smell gave me an instant flashback to my school days. We have known each other since way back in elementary school. Back in the day, people wrote letters instead of sending messages. Every noob needs time to learn the rules of the game. The veteran helped the younger players improve their skills. She became a pro after years of dedicated practice. That sweaty player never misses an opportunity to win. He decided to rage quit after losing 3 matches in a row. You will respawn in a few seconds after being eliminated. We had to grind it out to unlock every achievement. Many players farm XP to level up faster. The level grind takes patience and dedication every day. She managed to carry the team during the final match. Our squad got a squad wipe in the last battle. We got completely clapped by a much stronger team. The champion smacked every opponent without much effort. Our rivals got owned in the championship game. That victory was easy because the opponents barely fought back. He has been sweating all afternoon trying to win ranked matches. She is absolutely cracked at strategy games. The weapon was nerfed after the latest update. Several abilities were buffed to improve game balance. That weapon feels too spammy during online matches. Her clutch play saved the entire team at the last second. The enemy was one shot before escaping. The captain shouted "frag out" before throwing the grenade. We lost the first round, so let's run it back. Let's queue up for another game after dinner. Everyone agreed to lobby up before starting the tournament. That match was a clear teammate diff because our partners played much better. If you keep losing every match, maybe it is a skill issue. You should touch grass instead of staying indoors all weekend. He seems terminally online because he never disconnects from the internet.